In this video, I am going to share with you my Retail Week learning experience from Max Fashion India, which is located at Pathanamthitta, Kerala, that I had done on the last week of December. Max Fashion is an Emirati fashion brand under the banner of the Mumbai-based Landmark Group. The brand was first launched in May 2004. In Middle East, Landmark Group is the largest retail and hospitality conglomerate in Middle East, Africa and Indian subcontinent. Landmark has multiple retail brands. Max is one of the subsidiary brand under Landmark Group. Max retail and marketing involved selling, renting and providing goods and service to ultimate customers for personal, family or household use. In the channel of distribution, retailing is where the customer meets the product. Retailing creates value. Retailing's economic value is represented by people employed in retailing and the total amount of money exchanged in retail sales. Utilities provided by retailers create value for customers. Time, place, possession and form utilities are offered by most retailers. Max is a fashion and footwear retailer which is provided a good shopping experience, and a great value at Max translate into making customers look good and feel good. To the main sales techniques that they provide, we have 4 seasons: summer, winter, pre-autumn and spring. So they are providing dresses which is to get protection from each seasons. When each festival season comes, they provide the products accordingly, like Onam, Christmas and so on. They provide different offers based on how much customers have purchased, and providing vouchers as well in order to convince them, and depending upon the department that the customers purchased from. So each department has its own offers, provides type of offers that triggers customers to purchase more and more from here. The more you buy, the more offers you get, so it will motivate customers to buy more. So this is the best sales promotion techniques they are doing. That means there will be always have offers that running within the store. They have the largest collection of kidswear in the store. So the price value of kidswear in our shop is very low compared to other brands. So they are focusing cost leadership in kidswear. They are not using the same strategies for all customers. They use different strategies for different customers. So they provide offers according to the purchase history of the customers. Not only that, there is one more coupon which is capillary coupon. That is, if a customer always purchases a particular department, a coupon will be automatically generated in order to introduce another section to customers. So when we introduce another section, we get more sales from that section. So by providing these sales promotion techniques, they can improve their sales in all ways. And they have better display than any other store or any other brands. So customers can shop easily as the display is done well. So the shopping is very easy in there. So we do it to make shopping easier for customers. Retailing consists of all the activities involved in selling goods and services to ultimate consumers for personal consumption. Retailers today are forced to diverse attractive marketing strategies due to the growing competition in retailing industry. Targeting customers help retailers in building product assignment, designing store facilities, selecting promotional tools, pricing and defining desired service levels. So this is all about my learning experience from Max Fashion India. So I am very happy and grateful for getting a chance as a retailer in such a reputed brand. Thank you.